The Frigidaire EFR786 Retro Fridge offers a spacious 7.5 cubic feet of storage, making it ideal for households needing ample refrigeration space. Its organized interior includes adjustable glass shelves and a transparent crisper, providing convenient storage for various food items. The top freezer compartment is dedicated to storing frozen goods and features an adjustable thermostat and interior lighting. With its sleek retro design and chrome accents, this fridge adds a touch of vintage charm to any room. The flexible configuration allows for customizable storage options, thanks to removable shelves and a reversible door. This versatile refrigerator is suitable for different settings, featuring adjustable leveling legs and rear castors for easy movement.